everybody. You know, I'm really sorry for my getup all the time. This is honestly how I wake up. Usually I go to sleep in my husband's shirts, and then I usually put on one of his sweaters in the morning because it's cold. I'm just having my little pre-workout usually before my run. About an hour before my run, I usually have like 2 eggs and either 2 strips of turkey bacon or chicken sausage. Today you guys are gonna come work out with me. Today is day 5 of Vlogmas. I think I'm getting back on track. But right now, so pretty much what you guys missed because I was charging the camera. Just made my husband breakfast. He's taking a shower right now to get ready for work. And then I'm gonna start to kind of clean up the house just a little bit, get a little ready for my workout. Usually I ride about 30 miles on my bike, and then I also go for a 3-mile run. And then today I'm gonna be doing my abs. Hopefully all my cramps and stuff are gone, because last week my body was not having it. And then I have to edit 2 vlogs, number 3 and number 4. Get those up and posted, that way I can get back on track. What else do I need to do? Oh, and then I have to try to think of a few just normal videos to film for this week. I was thinking of doing a clean with me, another one, and possibly showing our bagel, gluten-free bagel recipe. So we'll see. But that's pretty much gonna be today. I think we're actually gonna go sign up for a gym today, but I don't know. But other than that, I'm gonna finish this. I always eat this before my run. So I'm gonna finish this, and then I'll probably see you guys when I'm about to work out, so. Okay, so we're ready to go for our run. I always have to do like 20 different things. The main thing is I always have to pee. So, especially when it's cold, I always have to go a lot. We are taking my Bluetooth headphones. I always have to let them charge before. The longest part of everything is my knee. If you guys are new, sometimes I'll show my knee in some of my videos and I always mess it up. I've been running for so long that it does a lot. And then I usually always have, well, I'm out of focus. Usually I always bring my fanny pack. Yes, I wear a fanny pack. So don't judge me, but I love my fanny pack. And that usually has like my phone and all kinds of other stuff in there. And today the camera is gonna be in there. So what else do I need to do before we go? Oh, I need my watch. My watch. I'm sorry if I keep looking in the viewfinder. This new thing, this new camera is just so different to me. Usually all my other vlog cameras are old, you know, now they're like 10 years old, so it's insane because the quality and stuff of this. I tried to get it, well, we tried to get it. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog clicking in the background. Yeah, I tried to record in Vlogmas day 3 of this new camera, so I'm gonna do it at a different point. We did film it, we filmed the unboxing, but for some reason the GoPro dropped it. That's the thing, we've been having such a hard time with the GoPro, so it's all over the place, but I will show you guys the camera for anybody who does wanna see it. Really good camera though. But yeah, today I'm mostly gonna show you guys my workouts and maybe some other things in between. I apologize for the fact that we don't really film at night. I am an early bird, like I'm up at like 4 in the morning. So filming at night is really, really hard because I'm winding down at like 6 o'clock. Like we have dinner and then I'm winding down at that point. So yeah, cause usually I'm in bed by like 8. During the summertime, it's a lot different. We usually go on a walk and we go down by the river. And right now, because it's so cold out, all I wanna do is just go right to bed, especially after Christmas and Christmas shopping, and there's a lot that's going on. So just letting you guys know. But yeah, let's go get this workout done because it's almost 8 and I don't really like going after that point. So put these babies on. I always hate it because like I try to only have a little bit because I have nothing on underneath. But it's always really cold when I first get out there, and then I get really hot. So like I never know what to wear. So today it's just this, there's nothing on underneath. And then I couldn't find my other leggings. These ones are actually too big. So we'll see how that run turns out today. I know that I've said in a few other vlogs before that I live in, like, the area that I live in has a lot of snowbirds, yes, and there's a lot of retirees, so there's a lot of people out right now, so if I don't record the best, that's why. But I'm gonna try to get what I can. Fanny pack on, cell phone will go in, and then my key. Have to make sure all the doors are locked so that the dogs don't get into anything. Yep. Now let's go. Well, I'm already back. That didn't work out the way that I wanted to, and sometimes that happens. Every time I record, they always start clicking around. So I hate to be like the person who complains, but this, I have a reason. I do have a hernia in my stomach. It's not visible or anything, it's small, but I was told when I got diagnosed with GERD, because they did a whole CAT scan type of thing and everything, and they had told me to just be careful on it because they knew that I was a runner. So some days are really good and some days are really bad. And today was one of those days that I tried. I only went about a mile, and it's because my hernia started acting up. So that's okay. It's okay. Sometimes, you know, it happens. I'm gonna attempt to ride the bike. Now, this is just for me. I just try not to put too much, you know, strain on it, because I'll push my entire body to just keep going. And don't do that. You know, I'm not giving you recommendations to do that. But for me, I just want to see if I can ride my bike, even for 15 miles, 10 miles, 5 miles. It really doesn't matter to me. I just like to get my body moving. And this weekend, there was so much going on that I didn't really move at all. So that's one of the other reasons why we're kind of looking into a gym membership, because I put a lot of strain on my body with cardio. If you guys have watched any of my other workout videos, I know I have one where it was like a what I eat in a day, gluten-free, where I showed my workout. I do a lot of cardio. I've always been a cardio heavy person. I was a cheerleader, I did soccer, I did gymnastics, I did all kinds of things as a kid. That cardio has just been my thing, and I'm a huge runner. Like I can go for fucking miles and not even care. So recently I had my mom bring my stationary bike from where I used to live in California, and you know, I had a treadmill back then, I had a stair stepper, I had an elliptical, and I don't have them out here, so my workouts have kind of been just running, and then now I've brought my bike into it, which has helped me a lot for days where stuff like this happens, or days that my knee's been hurting. And actually my knee's been doing great lately on my run, but for some reason my back and where my hernia is located, sometimes they like to go crazy. So today instead we're just gonna really do the bike. I only did about a mile of a walk, I didn't run. The moment I started running and it started hurting, I'm like, all right, don't even push it, which is fine. You know, walking, running, like I said, at least to get my body moving. But I am gonna set up the bike and we're gonna see how long I can go for. Kind of sucks because today I wanted to show you guys all of my workout and it didn't work out that way. So that's unfortunate. Maybe we'll do it a different day when it feels better. But today at least I'll show you when something goes wrong. And I always like to have the excuse to move. So we're gonna set it up and do it here. Now, really quick, no, I don't have a gym yet. We're looking into a gym out here. I don't really like working out at gyms. I like to do things myself. I've always been a home gym person. I feel like I can get motivated better at home, because to like get all your stuff ready and then drive over there and to, you know, sit in traffic sometimes, or to go in there and you're pumped and you're ready, and then like, you know, somebody's on a machine that you want to use, or you want to do something privately in one of the rooms and you can't because there's a bunch of people in there or there's a class going on. I've just never really been into gyms. I've had gyms, but I've never really been into them. The only reason I'm having them is that way if my knee or my hernia or my back or anything starts to kick off, I can always go and use a different cardio machine. That's really the only reason. And my husband wants to start working out, so you know, I definitely want him to go and get one. But I just make do with what I have at home. I have a whole bunch of workout stuff. Half of it is back in California, but I'm the type, like, I'll pick up anything and make a workout out of anything. So if you guys are like ever discouraged or you don't know where to start, I don't have this fancy setup, and I'm not in this room. I'm not a teacher. I'm not a fitness trainer. I'm not any of that. Honestly, what I do is right now you're gonna see, I'm gonna set up Judge Judy or People's Court or anything that I feel like watching, and I just put it on and I just ride my bike. And sometimes, you know, if my butt starts hurting on the bike, I'll get up and do some jumping jacks or some burpees, or, you know, I'll look up HIIT workouts while I'm working out and I'll get off the bike and I'll do a little bit. Anything works. And I have 8-pound dumbbells, I have a weight vest, I have resistant bands, I have all kinds of different things, and I'll lay on the floor and do, you know, like I'll do arm workouts or I'll do leg workouts or anything. So that's the thing, it's like if you guys are having a hard time knowing where to start and where to get motivated, and I mean, I'm not a fitness instructor, but I just make do with what I have, and that keeps me happy, keeps me sane, and that's it. I'm not a professional in it, and I don't have professional things, but I make do with what I have. So you guys can do the same thing. If you're looking into it or you just can't find the motivation, do what I do. It doesn't have to be where you're taking a pre-workout, and moving is moving. That's just the way that I see it. And if you have come to my channel because of gluten-free things, for me, if I'm not eating the way that I'm supposed to, also I have GERD, so I have another issue. But if I'm not eating right and I'm not moving, I get really sick, really sick. So I don't know if you guys are like that too, but maybe give it a try. It might help with some sickness symptoms and stuff that you guys might have. So, okay, stop procrastinating. See, this is what I mean. Time to work out.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you, baby.
Okay, so right now we are at almost 400 calories from what it says. Almost 30 minutes, and I'm going 19 miles per hour. And then I'm sorry that you hear, that's that one. See, it's her that's clicking. But I'm at almost 11 miles. My watch says that I burned that much, but from my walk earlier, it says that I'm at that. So we'll see if I'm gonna keep going. I feel pretty good right now. I'm running a little low on energy, which is weird because I made myself a pre-workout from what you guys saw earlier, which was a pre-workout meal, not pre-workout. I probably should get a pre-workout, but my stomach doesn't work with them anymore. But I'm gonna keep going as best as I can, either until I hit the 30 miles, 20 miles, 15 miles, or until I start hurting. I was feeling it a little bit on my side, which is why you guys kind of stopped seeing me do stuff, but I'm feeling okay right now because I gave myself a little bit of a break. So maybe I'll do like some legs and stuff. I was trying not to do anything where I move my abs too much since it was in my lower area, lower abdominal area. So we'll see what you guys see in the rest of the video. So really quick, I love watching Delish, and this is Iconic Eats. And I always get so mad because like we can't eat that stuff anymore, you know, being gluten-free. So I live vicariously through this channel because it makes me feel like I can at least see it. I just can't taste it. I have been trying to get a hold of the vet, so is my husband, for the past few hours, and we can't get a hold of him, and we need insulin because my dog's insulin is I probably won't have enough probably for tomorrow night. So I'm gonna have to run up there, but they always told us 24 hours, so we were gonna put everything in this morning and then they didn't answer. So I'm gonna grab my keys and stuff and then we're gonna head on over to the vet. Trying to set you up on something and you guys keep moving. Every time I turn, it doesn't help that I live in a super hilly type of area. Okay, so just got back home. Sun's starting to come out, thank God. But yeah, got his insulin. Insulin has to be kept cold, so we're gonna go inside and put this in the fridge.
So one thing I'm not gonna be is a person who cries on the internet.
And it's true, I'm not. Pretty much what I talk about right here is all the bad that was going on between my mom in the hospital and my grandma and all kinds of other things that I choose to kind of go over. But now I decided not to as I'm editing. So I'm sorry, but we're gonna cut this part basically out.
I'm just gonna end it here, so this will be my outro. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow, day 6 of Vlogmas. Bye guys.